Nobody can order pizza in this.
Where am I going?
No, I know what you know. You know what? It's on you.
All right, has anybody seen my sunblock? What's the point of going to Florida if you're gonna put on sunblock?
I don't care if I age like an old suitcase. I'm getting toasted.
Great. Now you can be a skag with a slightly darker shade of skin.
He's just jealous because he can't tan. His freckles just connect.
Hey, easy on the fluids, pal. The rubber sheets are packed.
Vicky, she says she wants to go with Ding. Behind Ding is 200 points. All right. Good for you. And that takes you to 4,700 points. 200 points. All right. Become our champion for the day. Maybe JP can.
Honey, are you packed yet?